सरकार ने एग्रीकल्चर और उससे जुड़े सेक्टर्स के लिए 1,52,000 करोड़ रुपए दिए हैं और पिछले साल 1.25 लाख करोड़ रुपए दिए गए थे। यानी कि इस बार किसानों के लिए बजट 21.6% यानी कि 25,000 करोड़ रुपए बढ़ाया गया है। वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा कि किसानों की सबसे बड़ी मांग एमएसपी को लेकर है। किसानों के लिए हमने सभी प्रमुख फसलों के लिए उच्च न्यूनतम समर्थन मूल्य की घोषणा की है, जो लागत से कम 50% मार्जिन के वादे को पूरा करता है।
Global context. The global economy, while performing better than expected, is still in the grip of policy uncertainties. Elevated asset prices, political uncertainties, and shipping disruptions continue to pose significant downside risks for growth and upside risks to inflation. In this context, India's economic growth continues to be the shining exception and will remain so in the years ahead. India's inflation continues to be low, stable, and moving towards the 4% target. Core inflation, that is non-food and non-fuel, currently is 3.1%. Happy to announce the Prime Minister's package of 5 schemes and initiatives to facilitate employment, skilling, and other opportunities for 4.1 crore youth over a 5-year period, with a central outlay of 2 lakh crore rupees. I will speak about them shortly, while more details may be seen in the annexure. This year, I've made a provision of 1.48 lakh rupees, 1.48 lakh crore rupees for education, employment, and skilling. Budget priorities. The people have given a unique opportunity to our government to take the country on the path of strong development and an all-round prosperity. This year, I have made a provision of 1.52 lakh crore rupees for agriculture and allied sectors.